CATIA V6 provides automated 3D physical generation from 2D and 3D logical specifications with the new CATIA Systems Generative 3D wire harness design product. CATIA Systems Generative 3D wire harness design unifies the logical definition of a wire harness and its physical mockup in a single workflow. 3D physical wire harness and placement can be automatically generated from its 2D schematic logical and 3D space reservation definition. Reusing logical information to build physical data will increase collaboration between electrical system and 3D electrical designers, ensuring that what is defined as logical will be in the physical. The physical design can concentrate on optimizing the shape of the harness, placing the supports and backshells, and defining the correct protections in 3D, not spending time on items that are automated. The product also allows a flexible update monitoring of the physical harness based on design evolutions and modifications of the logical definition through a synchronization process. Overall design change management cost is drastically reduced and quality is improved thanks to the tight coupling of both logical and physical aspects of electrical systems within CATIA V6.